How to turn on or set a passcode on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to turn off or set up any passcode on Android, simply launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, scroll down until you see the option of passwords and security. So as you see the option, tap on passwords and security, and here you can see the option of screen lock. So tap on screen lock, and here you can select among any option over here. Either you can choose a pattern, pin numbers or password. I'm going to tap on pattern, and then it gives me some seconds, so just wait for a while and then tap on got it and then set a pattern over here. I've selected this pattern and I just have to confirm it by tapping on confirm over here. So as you do that, you'll be able to set the passcode on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.